Hey everyone, so if you are struggling what to have this spring, summer coming up as a haircut trend, this is it. This is bang on trend for this coming season. It is long layers with bangs. And I know bangs have been a thing, I know long layers have been a thing, but now they're combining both of them together. And it's a very simple way of understanding it. So if you are struggling to understand how to cut hair, where to take hair, where to cut it, where to section, I break down haircuts, making it simpler for you guys to understand so you can take it to your hairdresser, and then hopefully the hairdresser will understand also the terminology that you're trying to achieve with a haircut, and then you'll walk out with a haircut that you always wanted. So today's is going to be a 4-section ponytail haircut to understand where we're taking the hair to, where we're cutting it from, and how we want it to fall. So we're going to be working with a ponytail on the front, one on each side, and then one at the back, and it just basically creates this fuller shape with all of this layer that's quite long, and then incorporating the bangs just to give it that beautiful shape. So if you are interested and you want to know more, stick around. We're going to get straight in to the haircut. Just a small triangle section on the top of the head here. Okay, we're going to split it into 3 sections, and the way I'm going to do it is I'm just going to use the top of that ponytail, or the back of that ponytail, which will come straight down middle back through there. I'm going to then use it again to then just draw off, basically putting the hair into quadrants, because once it's into quadrants, I can then come straight through that middle quadrant, straight through that quadrant, and we've got 3 sections. So just to give it a bit of a rough guide, so you can see there, and then again through there. So I've literally split it into 4 quadrants so I can get my 3 sections nice and equal. Right, so we've got equal sections. We've got basically 4 sections, but we've got our bangs. So that was already in. This is basically just to refresh. We've got our 2 sections through the side, and we've got our 1, which is through the back. So you can see just there. Now, what we want to be doing is you want to be able to see where those long layers were. And if we pull those layers out there, you can see that they're there. So that is the comb's length. So when we do that, we know we're going to maintain those layers and refresh them, but also we're going to take that length off. Now again, I'm just going to point cut. Reason I'm going to point cut is because it's just going to leave it nice and soft. And if we were in salon, I would be taking this vertical sections, pulling out, pulling out, pulling out, pulling out, to exactly the same finger position. And this is why I like to explore these ponytail haircuts, because they give you a real instant impact of all that hair coming off, and a really nice clear way of being able to see the haircut that you're wanting, or you're wanting to achieve. So I'm going to come to those layers, use my comb as a guide just to see that we're there. We're just going to elevate above 90 degrees, and then we're just going to point cut through there. And what I recommend doing, if you are in salon as well and you're doing this section by section, when you're doing this, and if you're just practicing, just use your comb as your guide, or use something as your guide. Maybe put a first cut in just to get a gauge of where you want to be, and then you just want to be making sure that you are level, and that we are. So the layers are, I can see them there. I'm just going to elevate slightly, point cut again, and then detangle, pull out, and then just soften off like that. And there we go. Reason that these look shorter, the ponytail is just that little bit higher. So they were above the ear, and then here is on occipital bone. Now we're going to do the refreshing the fringe. And all we're going to do is, as we have done if you are a viewer of this channel before, we're just going to look at where we want them to sit. And I want it to sit, I'm going to do bridge of the nose, which is that point there. So I'm just going to pull my fingers in, make sure they're touching the bridge of the nose, and then again we are just going to point cut that in. And you see I'm just elevating slightly again, creating softness in this haircut, but also because it's gathered from here to here into the middle, you're going to get that just that beautiful face frame. There we go, haircut finished. What we're going to do now is just going to pull them out. You see there, just a really nice face framing bangs through there. Shortest piece sitting right on that bridge of the nose, give that nice bit of shape. Extended at the sides because we over directed into the middle. And then what we're going to do is just going to pull these out, and we're going to give it a little shake as well. So that is it, raw. You can see we've got the shorter face frame layers through here, but they're still very quite long. We've lost some of that length from both sides, but what you can also see, it's like very symmetrical when it's cut as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to style it out, and then we can check out the finished result. So there we go, guys, that is it. Just, you seen what I did, just like a little blow dry with the new G8D blow dry brush, duet blow dry brush, and it just adds that little bit of shape to it. Really nice way. I'll link it down below, so if you want to purchase it, you can. And all we're going to do is just shake it out. It's just added a bit more smoothness to it, and just so you can see how the layers sit. Let's just shake out that little bit. It's just to give it that little bit of movement, because we could have gone in with a tong if we wanted to, but we didn't want it. So if it had shoulders, I need to bring my shoulders back. I've got shoulders for this, but they're in the salon. I know what I'll do. I'm going to clip it from the back so you can see what it will look like. And this is a little bit of a cheat as well, what a lot of hairdressers do on shoots. Make the hair look thicker. So when you're looking at those inspo pictures and thinking, oh, they got so much hair, they literally get a clip and I put it in that hair to make all that hair look much, much fuller. Like if you look at that side compared to that side, doesn't it look so much fuller? That's a hack. Don't do it on when you're walking about the street, because you look a little bit crazy, but it's what a lot of people do in shoots, and to fool you into thinking people have got this beautiful thick hair when actually they haven't. But yeah, I hope you can see that it's really symmetrical, a lot of bounce to it, and it's just a long layer. So if you look at the shortest layer being here, it's all the way down there, and then there's the length. But let me take these out so you can see the back, because a lot of people always like to see the back. See how it looks. There we go, let's get rid of those clip marks, but beautiful. So that's a big trend coming up for this season. Spring, summer, if you wanted something new for your hairdresser to take into the salon. Long layers with bangs. I know bangs have been around forever. Long layers have been around forever. But I just wanted to bring you it because I've seen it this morning, and it's a trend that's going to be happening a lot this year. So let me know what you think about it in the comments down below. As always, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video.